In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your resume on Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Indeed.com. Once the website loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Indeed account because the resume you want to remove will only appear inside that specific profile. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in before moving forward. After you're on the Indeed homepage and logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is the main access point for your account settings and personal job seeker information. Click that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to the page where your account details and resume information are stored. On your profile page, find the Resume section. This area contains the resume currently associated with your Indeed account. Depending on how your page is laid out, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct resume before making any changes, especially if you've uploaded or edited documents in the past. Next, look beside your resume file for the three dots, which open the options menu. Click those three dots to reveal the available actions for that resume. This menu usually contains management options related to the file, including the one you need for removal. From that menu, click Delete. Once you do this, Indeed may ask you to confirm your choice. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and proceed only if you're sure you want to remove the resume. This is an important step because deleting a resume can affect your job applications or profile visibility depending on how you've been using the platform. After the deletion is completed, your resume should no longer appear in the resume section of your profile. It's a good idea to quickly double check that the file has been removed successfully. If you still see it, refresh the page and check again. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can remove a resume from your Indeed account quickly and cleanly. If you're updating your job search materials, this can be a useful way to keep your profile organized and make sure only the most current information is attached to your account.